Hi, I'm Melissa with Heirloom Carrier, and I'm going to show you how to do a classic carry in your ring sling today. You're going to grab your ring sling and you're going to put the rings on your shoulder, whichever shoulder you'd prefer. And you're going to pull on the fabric, making sure that it's flat on your back. You're going to pull all that fabric up through your rings, through both of them. And then you're going to separate the rings and pull all that fabric back down through them. So it's going to look a little something like that. And what you're going to do next is gather all of the fabric that's between the two rings, and you're going to find the end and you're going to walk it through your fingers to ensure that there are no bumps or twists. Then you're going to grab the ends of both pieces of the fabric and pull down just to eliminate any of those twists or bumps. So from here, I'll just quickly show you the anatomy of your sling. This is the top rail and the bottom rail. This is the pouch where your baby's gonna sit. And this is your tail. By pulling on the top part of your tail, it will tighten the top rail. And by pulling on the bottom of your tail, it will tighten the bottom rail here. From here, I use my elbow as a guide to mimic how baby's bum will look in the sling and to create a little bit of a pocket. Now I'm gonna grab my baby. Okay, got my baby here. I'm gonna put her on the shoulder opposite of the rings, and I'm going to guide her through the sling. She's very wiggly. You're gonna wanna pull the fabric tight until the bottom rail is in line with the back of her knees. This is going to help me wiggle her down and create a nice deep seat in the sling. Her legs are kind of going to look like a frog or an M-shape position. And from there, I can just tighten any bits that need tightening. So I can grab top part of my tail to tighten the top rail of the sling. And then if I need to tighten under her knees or bum, I can just pull the bottom of the tail there. And there we go. Baby is nice and secure, and she's close enough to kiss.